रसगुल्ले हम में से बहुत लोगों का फेवरेट है, और क्यों नहीं? So juicy, so soft, so spongy, these rasgullas can brighten up any occasion. पर जब भी घर पे रसगुल्ला बनाने का ट्राई करते हैं, firstly they break or have lots of cracks, and secondly they are not as soft or spongy as we get it in the market. Do you also feel the same? Well, then worry not, because Masala Box and me, Chef Ananya Banerjee, are coming with a free masterclass to show you how to make Bengal's iconic delicacy, Rasgulla, at home. Come, join me for this exciting masterclass by Masala Box at 4:30 p.m. I will also teach you how to elevate traditional Rasgulla into an exotic baked Rasgulla, and will answer all that you have always wanted to know about your favorite mithai. Hurry, click on the link in the bio to register now.